PSA Tuas Port will be the world's largest automated container terminals once it reaches full capacity, able to handle 65 million 20-foot equivalent units a year. It's embracing automations to establish an innovative command center for overseeing its operations and maintenance. This has allowed the port to improve support to PSA valued customers in managing cargo flows. Ports must enhance their capabilities to meet the demands of the supply chain industry, such as real-time tracking, customers' expectations, efficiencies, productivities, and profit growth. PSA embarked on a mission to build the world's largest fully automated port. We have chosen Solace to support us and build our event-driven architecture as the backbone for the critical distribution of information.
The first phase of Tuas Port opened in September 2022, and the entire port will be completed by 2040s. When completed, Singapore's handling capacity will be doubled. With its 8 berths, Tuas Port has already increased Singapore's handling capacity amidst the supply chain crisis of past years. Most of the work at the port is performed by unmanned vehicles known as automated guided vehicles.
We are using event-driven architecture to orchestrate automated operations and maintenance activities. Our systems, devices, and processes exchange information about events such as vessel arrivals, container movements, and equipment status changes through an interconnected web of event brokers. This event mesh empowers ports to optimize resource allocation, make informed decisions in a timely manner, and streamline workflows. At Tuas Port, a fleet of over 200 AGVs moves containers around the port 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, each receiving instructions via Solace platform. We gain the ability to react to situations as events occur, facilitating timely and informed decision-making. Acting as a resilient shock absorber, our event mesh, underpinned by Solace, ensures a seamless flow of information, guaranteeing in-order delivery of data even during temporary disconnections or message flow surges. PSA expects to more than double the AGV fleet, and EDA will continue to reshape port operation, setting a new standard for efficiency, adaptability, and customer satisfaction in the maritime industry.
During Phase 1 of the development at Tuas Port, several complexities emerged, including designing AGVs in such a way that they can always receive instructions even in the face of faults at various layers of the technology stack. It's a complex undertaking to reliably orchestrate operations across container handling equipment connected over cellular networks, Wi-Fi, and other networks in the port environment. We overcame this challenge by using frameworks that Solace provided, which gives us full control over the switchover process. PSA Tuas Port is setting a new standard for port automation as the world's largest automated container terminal. This achievement highlights the pivotal role EDA plays in reshaping the maritime industry and connecting communities beyond the port, both physically and digitally.
Solace continues to be alongside PSA in delivering a robust and simple to maintain event-driven platform for data communications as we pursue our visions of delivering reliable operations at scale.